Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 10th, 2015. It's a Tuesday morning and a chilly one at that, as cold air is streaming down the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid 20s over the far northern interior and upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. Those temperatures will not be moving all that much the rest of the day, with high temperatures basically in the lower 30s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and also the interior, with a northerly wind at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour later on this afternoon as an area of low pressure rapidly develops well off of the New Jersey coast and out into the Atlantic. We do have some precipitation over portions of southern New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland. That precipitation will not move any further north than southern New Jersey and will exit out of here by 10 a.m. However, watch out for some very slick weather conditions over southern New Jersey, right around Cape May, and also around Delaware, with some sleet, freezing rain, and snow making travel very hazardous. Travel conditions aren't much better over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, with black ice a significant concern throughout the entire region. On our radar, you could see via and telecast most of the precipitation is remaining south of the Philadelphia New York City metropolitan area, with only a few flurries basically moving over portions of Connecticut now. The steady precipitation will remain over the Delmarva Peninsula and will exit out by 10 a.m. On our latest infrared satellite picture, you can see our area low pressure rapidly developing. This low pressure system is kicking this low pressure out to the east. Otherwise, it could have been a very nasty winter storm for the entire region, with heavy snow, sleet, and freezing rain changing over to all snow. And that would have led to some rather impressive snowfall totals, considering that temperatures are going to be falling through the 20s today. So we're kind of lucky in that that storm's going to get kicked out into the Atlantic and will not be a significant threat for us. High pressure will be in control by this afternoon and will remain in control through Thursday morning with scattered cloud cover. And then things get interesting as a clipper rapidly moves through the region on Thursday morning, especially Thursday afternoon on through Friday morning. Taking a look at the latest European model guidance again for today, that low pressure system is kicked out. You can see here's the low pressure system developing, and here's our clipper that's going to kick this low pressure system right out into the Atlantic. So look for clearing skies for the rest of the afternoon, with temperatures basically in the lower 30s for highs around 32 degrees. For tomorrow, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover, low temperatures in the single digits over the interior, lower to mid-teens along the coast, a few upper teens mixed into your urban areas. High temperatures tomorrow in the upper 20s to lower 30s, making for some rather cold weather conditions throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Thereafter, now we're going to watch out for this clipper. This clipper is going to be very interesting to watch for Thursday afternoon into Friday morning, with the potential for some light to moderate snowfall, especially as you move over Connecticut. That low pressure system will move quickly, though, looking for low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the interior and mid to upper teens along the coast. High temperatures in the mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. Looking for accumulation totals from this threat ranging from around a dusting basically over much of eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. It's going to be a mist basically for the Philadelphia metropolitan area. So you head towards the New York City metropolitan area. I'm looking at 1 to 3 inches of snow from 2 p.m. Thursday through 5 a.m. Friday. Again, relatively light snow. Most locations would be around an inch. As you move towards central and eastern Long Island and central Connecticut, a little bit more steady snowfall, 2 to 4 inches of snow from 2 p.m. Thursday to 5 a.m. Friday. And then as you move towards northeastern Connecticut, that's where you can get some moderate snow, 3 to 6 inches, looking at a start time between 3 p.m. Thursday and ending 8 a.m. Friday. Most locations will be in the low end of these snowfall totals. So again, not looking like a major impact at this time. We'll keep an eye on that low pressure system as it moves through. By the time we get to Friday afternoon, high pressure will be in control by, let's say, about noon. Low temperatures in the lower to mid-teens, high temperatures not moving all that much in the upper teens to lower 20s. So it's going to be a very cold day out there on Friday. Saturday isn't much better, but we're going to be watching another clipper diving towards the Delmarva Peninsula. This low pressure system has me a little bit concerned, especially with a closed upper level low. For right now, we're looking at light to moderate snowfall with a progressive low pressure system and a majority of the snowfall over Boston. But this right here has my eye. See this inverted trough? Whenever I see something like this, I don't like to let my guard down. So we're going to watch this very carefully, because when I see this type of setup evolve, it certainly is something that has the history of producing a surprise heavy snow event for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But right now, we're not going that route. For right now, we're looking at light to moderate snow on Saturday, looking for temperatures. And this is cold. Low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. High temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s. A few mid 20s are possible in your urban areas. Now, as this low pressure system exits on Sunday, high pressure will take control as that low pressure system explodes in the Gulf of Maine. Look for very windy conditions on Sunday, with temperatures in the single digits to lower teens for lows. Now, with those winds, it's going to feel more like temperatures well below zero. And then high temperatures aren't going to be that much better. Lower to mid teens, again, feeling like temperatures are below zero. With winds sustained at 20 to 25 miles per hour, it is going to be a brutally cold day on Sunday, that is for sure. And combine that with the fact that there's snow threat on Sunday morning, I am rather concerned with high snow ratios. Again, with this low pressure system, this one needs to be watched very, very carefully. And then on Monday, President's Day, high pressure in control with scattered cloud cover, yet very cold, temperatures below zero over the interior and along the coast for lows. High temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.